Hi, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. What I have here is a 2015 Kia Sorento. If you find that your blower motor for your heater is not working properly, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what it is say we put it on 1 or 2 or 3, it doesn't work. It wasn't working. We put it on 4, it works full blast. So I'm going to show you what it is. It's the resistor for the blower fan, and I'm going to show you how to replace it right now. So don't forget, before you start, undo your negative cable off the battery. Just put it to the side. Make sure it's not touching the post, and you're good to start your job. Then when you're all done, reconnect the negative terminal back on your battery, snug it up, and you're good to go. Okay, so on the passenger side, here is your glove box. You're going to want to look under your glove box, and you're going to see these 2 screws or bolts. One here and one over here. They're an 8mm. And you just have to undo those first. So like I said, there's 2 bolts. There's one here and there's one under here. Now you can just grab on this and drop it. Actually, there's a wire harness here and there's a clip here that holds it on. So you may want to undo this so you can drop this tray. There, it's just a clip that clips into this hole right here. So you can just undo that real easy. And we'll just get that out of the way. So it gives us some room to work here. All right, so this thing here, right here, is in our way. So we have 1 screw there, I believe, to undo. And we'll drop it so we can get into here. See back there where the wires go into the connector to that black part there? That is our resistor that we have to get out. Okay, so this screw here is what I'm talking about. Right here. Hopefully it's not too dark in here. Just take a Phillips screwdriver and back it out. So I reached under here. Actually, I couldn't move that black shroud out of the way. I could only move it so I could get my hand in here. And this plug here has to come off. So right here on the back, you can see there's a clip. You just, let me show you really quick here. Yeah, right there. See that clip? You just push down on that. Right there. Anyways, you push down on it and it'll come out of here. So now we need a Phillips screwdriver to take these 2 out, but we don't have much room, so we're going to use a stubby Phillips screwdriver to back this out and take our resistor out. Okay, so we're going to take a little stubby screwdriver like this, a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to try and get in here and we're going to back those 2 screws out of there. Now I can't show you. I can't show you because I'm so crammed. I'm upside down and everything. But I'm just going to back those 2 screws out and we'll pull that resistor out. There you go. This is the old resistor. This is the new resistor. You can see what the issue is there. You can see this has come apart here, blowing off of here. And over here, it's not. It's connected to this metal piece. So that's what it is. This came apart. Now your resistor is blowing and your fan motor is not working. So now we're going to slip this in and we'll try it out. You can see the cavity there where it come out. So we're going to slip our new one in, put those 2 Phillips screws back. We're going to plug in that electrical plug there. Okay, now we're going to put the screw back in here and screw it back up there. All right, now we're going to put this covered tray back on. We're going to slide these 2 back in there. And then put those 2 8mm bolts back on. And then we'll try it out. Okay, let's try it out. I got the power on in the car. Hopefully you can hear that. Number 1. 2. It's definitely working. 3. Definitely working. 4. So all 3 are working. The resistor is replaced. I will drop a link in the description below, as well as I will pin a comment where you can get this resistor on Amazon. If this video helped you, please hit that thumbs up on the video, and we'll see you on the next one.